Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nathan Sheldon Schneller, hailing from Bristol, Virginia, and it is my honor to welcome you back once again to today's virtual airshow. You are about to witness an extreme maneuvering capabilities demo of the Sukhoi Su-30SM Flanker E. Today's pilot is Nova from the fabulous state of Texas. He has over 500 virtual flight hours on platforms including X-Plane, Microsoft Flight Sim, and right here on DCS World. He is the flight lead of the Nightstalkers jet team, and today he is flying the very intense solo demonstration for you today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to stand up and put your hands together for Nova and the Nightstalkers Su-30 Flanker! The Su-30 is powered by a pair of Saturn AL31 afterburning turbofan jet engines, each producing over 27,000 pounds of thrust in full afterburner. With the help of thrust vector nozzles, the Su-30 can perform maneuvers that no other fighter jet in the world can perform. Heck, you just might need an extra 300 to perform what this thing can do. Now from your left, Nova will show off the flanker's raw power and noise as he sends it straight across the shield box with the high speed pass. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Nova is gearing up to show you just a little bit of that incredible thrust vector control from the flanker. Nova will pull straight into the vertical, dump all the flares in the world, and literally front flip into a controlled flat spin. You want impossible? The flanker has it all. Now from your right, Nova will show off the Su-30's tight turning capabilities with the minimum radius turn. Completing his exit to the left, Nova will throw the aircraft into what he calls the Alien Spire. Why alien? It defies all known laws of physics. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to dedicate this next pass to the staff of today's Airshow for putting on an amazing event, and our fans, and this out-of-this-world community for their support. But most importantly, we would like to dedicate this pass to our servicemen, keeping this community free to fly. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, your Nightstalkers dedication pass. Now is the time I must ask. Are you ready to kick the roof off this sucker? From the left, Nova will drop the gear and deploy the speed brake into the flanker's dirty configuration. Transitioning from that, he will pull straight into the vertical and hover that flanker like a helicopter. This is a maneuver Nova calls the hover slam. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you once again for coming out to watch today's Airshow. We wouldn't be here without you. Now watch as Nova comes into land. Wait a minute. Okay, he's kidding with you guys. Nova is setting up for his final maneuver. He will pull into the vertical once again and show you that amazing front flipping capability from the flanker directly in front of you. So get those cameras ready. This is the Nightstalkers finale flip. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we're actually done flying, the Nightstalkers once again thank you for coming out and supporting us at today's virtual air show. Until next time, God bless and have a good one.